I was auditioning for a film. Super haba ng pila. Dito po, dyan po sa labas. And when it was my turn, hindi ko pa nakita si mother nito. One of the nakaupo doon sa may table, isa po doon was Tita Joanne Banyaga. Siya yung talagang tinuturing kong discoverer ko. And then, ano bang sinabi? Basta naalala ko, parang pinapa-acting ako and hindi ko alam what came over me, bigla na lang ako umiyak. First time to act in my whole life. And na-impress ko si Tita Joanne. And she was the one who brought me. Nandun pa sa taas yung sa second floor yung office. She was the one who brought me to Mother Lily. And kung ano man nakita niya sa akin, dali-dali po siya nagpagawa ng 12 years old po ako nito. Nagpagawa siya ng 24 picture contract. Wow! Diba? Yung agad-agad, walang ano, diba? Yung, hey, let's check you out first, ganyan. Wala. Immediately. And the rest is history. Marami akong naging sobrang daming naging projects mula noon. Sa movies, bida ako. Some of them hindi. Okay lang. Supporting. Naubos po ba yung 24 pictures? Hindi po. Siguro baka half lang. Pero, I mean, it wasn't about that. It was yung tiwala at yung confidence na binigay niya sa akin. And of course, she always made sure na I work with really good directors. Yan. And pinamanage din niya ako before kay Direk Manny Galera. And silang dalawa, they really made sure na puro magagandang projects din naman pupunta sa akin. And then, because of Regal Films, dahil sa kanya ako nagkaroon ng first acting award in 2001. And kung hindi ako nagkakamali kasi medyo hindi ko na rin alam yung I think to this day, I still hold the record ng being the youngest Urian awardee for Best Actress. And it's all because of Mother. So, I came from abroad and sabi ko talaga, pero kahapon naman to, nung nalaman ko na till today na nabiburo, sabi ko, I will not miss it for the world. Kahit na jet lag pa ako. Kahit hindi kami masyadong nagkikita ni Mother, she's always been kind to me, very warm and very motherly. And mamimiss ka namin lahat. You know, you are a showbiz icon. And lahat kami nandito kasi mahal na mahal ka namin. So, goodbye for now and thank you.